Okay, that takes us to auditors. In Jan 2009, Ramalinga Raju admitted that he had cheated 6 million Satyam shareholders through a 14,000 crore accounting fraud. You remember this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What a guy. He admitted that his balance sheet as of September 30th, 2008 had non-existent cash and bank balances of 5,040 crores. Non-existent accrued interest of 376 crores. We are talking serious money here, guys. Okay? Understated liabilities of 1230 crores. We are not talking chicken shit here. An overstated debtors position of 490 crores. Now this is the part I love the most. Satyam got the Golden Peacock Global Award for Corporate Governance in 2008.
Yes, sir.
By the Institute of Directors. They awarded the Entrepreneur of the Year award to Raju in 2007. What is the auditor's job? Everybody says you put two auditors in jail. What those two PwC guys? Nice suits. Put them in jail. What's his job? This is still the case. Okay, that governs on the law on this point. It's called Trishaw India versus A.F. Ferguson and Company. This is what the Bombay High Court said. It is directors of a company who are primarily responsible for the preparation of the annual accounts and for the information contained in it. The auditor does not conduct the audit with the objective of discovering all fraud. Such an audit would have to involve a detailed and minute examination of all the books, records and other documents of the company. And the cost of doing so would be prohibitive and disproportionate to the benefit which may be derived by the shareholder. Yeah, you lose 5,000 crores there and 4,000 crores there, but the benefit to the shareholder is disproportionate. Wow. He is not bound to do more than exercise reasonable care and skill in making inquiries and investigations. He is not an insurer. He does not guarantee that the books do correctly show the true position of the company's affairs. He does not even guarantee that his balance sheet is accurate according to the books of the company. Then what the is he doing? What it actually means is he does two things. He looks at pieces of paper that the company has created and he creates more papers. And he takes numbers from here and puts them there. Then he takes numbers from there and puts them there. Then he says a double entry balance kar gayi hai, and he creates a nice concise statement and he sticks it to it. That's what he does. Okay? And he does one more thing, which is important. He tries to make sure that systems are being followed. So do they have adequate safeguards? If they do, on paper, then he will see that they are followed on paper. It's not his job to go and actually find out that anybody follow these systems. So if you write a nice manual, that's quite good enough for it. Question is, who discovers accounting fraud? You're a public shareholder. Who is going to tell you about the accounting fraud? Short Tamil answer, illepo, nobody. Your money is basically you give your money to somebody with no assurance of what's going on with it. It's gone. It's gone. Comes back. It comes back. You guys have a lot of faith here. And this is a triumph of faith over common sense. What are the accounting frauds that I have seen in 33 years as a lawyer? And this is not something I found once, every day. First, inventory scam. Companies claim to have raw materials, finished goods, intermediate goods in stock, but actually it's junk. Auditors will tell you they have not reconciled inventories. Now reconciliation, meaning I don't know what's up there. The company claims it's gold. Actually it's all junk. What is the defense? This is a national level company where inventory is located in 40 places. Now working conditions there are very bad. There is no electricity also. How can I do reconciliation? I remember once working for an air conditioner company, and the foreign owner said, something is wrong. You have to do. I don't want it done internally. I don't want it done by auditor. But the auditor is going to defend his position, right? Okay, get an external law firm to do it. So I did it. So I had to go to a place called Kashtia in Calcutta. Anybody knows it? Kashtia and Calcutta, there are no roads. Okay, forget about it. What they've got is tanneries. So it smells wonderful. There are all the dead animals. The smell is just outstanding. And we got in there, electricity to bhul jao. I mean, kerosene oil, beta to maa gaya kind of thing. 20 saal baad. So we get about there, we lined up in suits. Pehle to coat utre, then kameeze utri. Next day we were there all wearing shorts. Climbing up and over these hundreds and thousands of cartons lying around, and we're climbing up and over these and counting the air conditioners. And the numbers that were stated were actually just totally different. So what happened next month? But before we got to the next go down, there was a fire in the go down. How many companies get fires in their go downs? They never get it in the MD's office. So then they pre-book sales. What is pre-booking of sales? Companies inflate the quantities of goods ordered by and being shipped to customers. What does that mean? That in this year, on 31st March, you sold 10 cars, but you actually showed 15. How do you do it? You pre-book it. Because you don't have to file the accounts till September. No? You show that because most accounting is not on accrued basis. It is not on a cash basis. Only small businesses mainly are on cash basis. So you show that I had sold the car, I just didn't deliver it and I never got paid for it. Or you didn't get paid for it, you did not deliver it, you didn't even manufacture it. Order आ गया था customer का, you go to your friend and say, 5 order sign कर देना यार. The auditor says, what do you want me to do? Check with each customer if he placed an order on 30th March or 1st April? There's nothing I can do about it. So you can lie all you like, no problem. There's no one to stop you. Warranty return scam. You produce junk, it doesn't sell, it comes back, don't show it. Say it's out, these are outstandings. What will the auditor say? We have not reconciled warranty returns. Expenses, same logistics, reconciliation as inventory. The thing is that, these things are good for everyone. I mean, think about it. If you have too high sales, too low warranty rejects, the shareholder loves it. Stock market is high. Lenders love it. The loans they have given are more secure. Promoter loves it. His share price is higher. Who's interested in dropping the valuation of the company? No one. Bad debt scam. I've already mentioned this. Companies don't show recoveries. Receivables are received. Now this is the other one. The receivables are received in cash and misappropriated promptly, and then a bad debt is declared. In fact, if you have to pay someone off, how do you generate cash? So the defense here is that asking for debtor confirmation is not possible. There are 10,000 debtors. 3 saal ke liye, every year you chase them and ask for debtor confirmation, so we haven't asked. Actually, the money came back, it was misappropriate, went off to meet some Magan Lal, Chagan Lal, Ram Lal, Kishan Lal, some. And that is your problem with India, democracy tax. In India, we have a real problem. How do you fund a democracy? The truth is, we are struggling in this country because we have not found a legitimate way to fund our democracy. I can't simply go and sign a check off for a politician and expect that politician to have any credibility or me to have any credibility. So we have developed a creative bouquet of schemes to dress up accounts. The Indians are a very creative people, we've done it. Okay? There's one more thing you can thank us for. It's not an auditor's job to investigate his client. Auditing is about reconciling paper trails, not truths. I've said that already. Like fighting terrorism by seeing a movie about it, or a Formula 1 race by reading a coffee table book about it, maybe even getting a simulator. Okay, accounting frauds are expensive and time consuming to find. No one wants to find the source of democracy tax. If you're going to find all accounting frauds, you will destroy India's democracy. This is the truth. No one wants clean accounts.